Yo. Alright, what's goody? So today we filming a gun range vlog. I'm finna get lit. I'm kind of in a little bit of a rush because you feel me, we gotta go catch the ride right now. But yeah, we're about to stop at the mall real quick, grab a few things. I low-key forgot what the fuck I was even gonna grab. But once I get there, hopefully I remember and shit. And then we're gonna go to the gun range. So y'all stay tuned for that. So yeah, we on the way to the mall right now. I'm finna go get like earrings and like 2 other things, but I keep forgetting what the hell I was gonna get, and then hit the range. But I did want to say, oh shit, well, if y'all didn't know, I got the bulk order of my hoodies on the way right now. I just paid for a new t-shirt design too, a long sleeve, so that's gonna be dropping soon. If you don't already follow my Instagram, I'm gonna be posting that a little bit so y'all can get an idea of what's coming. And then after that, probably some cargos and shit like that. But I got a lot of shit coming with the brand. Just tap in smoothie.shop on Instagram or oneway_smooth so y'all can see all that. And then tomorrow we actually might be going to Boston. So if that everything goes well with that, you'll see us in Boston. And then hopefully on the 10th, if everything goes right, because you know sometimes shit be falling through last second, we're supposed to be going to Dallas, Texas. So that would be definitely lit. Y'all stay tuned. If that shit goes through, I'm 100% vlogging. So y'all stay tuned for that shit. Alright, so you already see we at the mall. Yo, every time we come here though, one of us gets recognized though. No cap.
Yo,
last time you got recognized like twice. That shit was lit. So I'm gonna not right now, but I'm gonna stop here and get some earrings because they got like a 2-for-1 deal going on. And I'll get you one if you want to. I'm probably gonna get like a little manicure. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. There was something else I wanted to do that was like more important, but I forgot. But oh, Happy New Year's to all y'all. Y'all probably gonna be seeing this on New Year's. It's New Year's Eve right now, but yeah, Happy New Year's. When we go to the gun range, I'm hoping that shit's empty because it's New Year's, but it's either gonna be empty or packed, so we'll see when we get there. But yeah, I'm gonna start it when I figure out what the fuck I wanted to do. I completely forgot, I ain't gonna lie. Can I switch one of those out, please? I appreciate it. Happy New Year's Eve. So yeah, not exactly what I had in mind. I mean, these I had in mind. You know what I'm saying? Some little cool shit. These I had in mind. This I didn't have in mind. They just was a good price, so yeah, no, I'm saying real essential. G Fazos had to come to Fazos. That was about it. Oh, and had to clean up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay clean, so that was about it. But yeah, now we're going to the gun range. And it's about to get lit. Just right there. But yeah, we're about to get lit, so stay tuned for that shit. Alright, what's good? So we just got to the gun range. Shit about to get lit, yo. I'm about to fuck around and get 7.62, knock a nigga out his shoe. I'm about to get 5.56, you feel me? I don't know. I'm gonna see what they have to rent, you feel me? And then just get like 2 or 3 of them shits. And I got my own, you feel me? I'll show y'all that. I got some shit for y'all, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all some shit. And then yeah, that's about it. So I'll start it when we get inside. Yeah, so you see the vibes, man. I had to get big 7.62. We about to go in right now. I got my own. I got another one I'm bringing out, but we have to do it one at a time. So right now we're just gonna get ready to go in. Put our eyes and ears. And but yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's about to get dumb lit. You already see the big 7.62. This shit stupid loud. Even with the hearing protection, it's dumb loud, and that shit pushes you back. So y'all gonna see all of that. And then you'll see the other rental I'm gonna get too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so check out the first one we got. Classic AK, classic. It's gonna be hard to hear because niggas are shooting and shit. sure you already seen this. And I got a little something special for you, bro. Got the big 30 ball for y'all today. We about to go crazy, so. Yeah, that's weird. The reason I kept pausing like that is because when I was shooting, like, I can feel my ears ringing. That one is dumb fun, bro. Malfunction with the AK. That came from inside the gun. No way. Yeah, it's not supposed to pop out like that. Gotcha. So that surprised me. Yeah, so malfunction with the AK. A metal piece ended up falling out. The gun just malfunctioned, so now it has to go get repaired. But yeah, we're gonna get the mini AK out, so he's gonna bring that in. But until then, we're gonna continue with the 9s. That's the first time some shit like that ever happened. Alright, so we got the mini one back. Well, not back out. We got it out. I ain't gonna lie, that was a little bit more fun. that shit dang crazy.
Hold on.
I don't know if you've seen it, but it's in my eyes, there's like a little fireball at the end.
Yeah, I see the flare like
Yeah.
every couple of shots.
That shit was crazy. I might have to get another box of 7.62. I ain't gonna lie, that was
Okay.
kind of fun. Just real quick. And then it's like I'm gonna grab another box of 7.62. And then yeah. We got the Colt AR-15. This kind of resembles the Commando from Call of Duty, and it's funny because they had a package up front with like Call of Duty packages in different games. This is in a lot of them. So I already have it loaded. Just get straight to it. That one shoots a lot of gas back. That was like getting in my eyes and all type of shit. That's about it, man. That's a wrap for what we had here. Look what I found. We got one more. Alright, now that's it. That was all. Alright, so we just wrapped up here. We shot the Colt, you know, the old school AR-15. We had the AK. We had the regular AK at first, and then I don't know if you guys could hear in there because people were letting off like crazy. But the first one, the big AK, had a malfunction. Like, it just was clicking. Like when I would pull the trigger, like it would click. And then I had brought the range officer over, and he was trying it himself, and like a metal piece fell out of the fucking AK. So I don't know what happened with that. They're gonna have to bring that to the workshop and, you know, fix that. But then he brought us the mini AK, the Draco or whatever, and we shot that. That was super fun. That John has like a big ass fireball, so it was dumb fun. And then we brought out the AR-15, the old school Colt. So this one's like, you know, Call of Duty, freaking commando style. And then, you know, I had my 9mm that I was showing y'all. So yeah, we're wrapping up here. We're about to head out right now. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. So, but Happy New Year's to all y'all. And yeah, I hope y'all have the best year ever. So stay tuned for the next video.